Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing assets and tools. Open ZArchiver after granting storage permission so it can modify game folders. Once done, locate the downloaded PUBG Lite config archive in Downloads and tap it to view contents. This prevents accidental wrong file moves. Make sure the archive contains a CFG or config folder and note its exact file name because you will use it in the next step. If the archive is compressed, extract now to a temporary folder inside Download for easier transfers. Next, you copy the extracted config into the game directory. In ZArchiver, go to android/data/com, Tencent, Iglite PUBG Lite package, then the relevant CFG or game user settings folder. Once there, choose Paste and overwrite if prompted. Doing this replaces settings cleanly. After copying, long press the file to change permissions to RWRR 644 so the game can read it but not execute it. Make sure file timestamps look right. If not, recopy to avoid mismatch issues. To finish, close ZArchiver and clear the game cache or app data if the new config does not load immediately. This forces a fresh read. Then launch PUBG Lite and check your graphics, sensitivity, or layout screens to confirm the config applied. If values look off, return to ZArchiver to restore your backup copy and retry. Tip: if the game crashes after replacing config, restore the original file and reboot. That usually resolves conflicts caused by incompatible settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.